All right, welcome to AirLogic's product highlight video about filtered orifices. Filtered orifices are a combination product of two of our best-selling products, our inline filters and our orifice restrictors. Orifice restrictors, all of them are a nice fixed flow control solution for all types of OEM devices. And adding the filters to that adds another layer of protection for both the orifice and anything downstream of that. Orifice restrictor works on like a pressure drop concept where there's a pressure drop from the flow going through the orifice, and that's going to let you control the speed of any sorts of things, both fluidically or pneumatically, whether that's a cylinder or some type of fluid process going through your system. When you have an orifice in your system, you need to make sure that the orifice doesn't get clogged up, right? So an upstream filter is great. You can use that. You can have a big upstream filter in your system, or you can have a smaller one integrated into the device like we have here with the filter orifices. We make all sorts of different sizes of orifices and filtration levels to meet different demands for different products and industries that you guys might be designing out there in the world. I just want to go over kind of what these are all about. The filtered orifices are going to be color-coded so that you can know what the orifice is inside of it, and then it'll display on the side what the filter is so that you can see both the flow rate, what that's going to be, and the filtration level. One really nice application for these I always like to mention to people is protecting like a gauge or a sensor, like a sensitive sensor that doesn't want to see pressure spikes, it doesn't want to see debris. So you can get both of those levels of protection for those devices with a filtered orifice. So I also wanted to show what it looks like just combining two products together. So this is what like a standard filter and then flow control setup might be. You're just going to connect it with two pieces of tubing. So then the obvious thing here is you combine them into one product, so you reduce your system complexity, size, and cost a little bit. So just wanted to show that off here. So that's it. So whether you're trying to reduce your system complexity, add some protection or save cost or weight on your product design, these filtered orifices are a great product for you to take a look at. Thanks for sticking around.